Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are fine. Thank you all guys for clicking on this video, and if this is your first time, you are welcome to the family. It's another beautiful day today guys, and as usual I bring you lovely video from the Roberts family. Guys, it's amazing how children grow these days. They grow so fast and they learn things fast. Shine and Savi are example of that. They are wonderful boys, and it amazed me how they learn things fast. The other day, I think it was yesterday or so, that Risa and her mom took the boys out on a fun fair and they saw a lot of domestic animals and they even touched them. Savi, the daredevil of the family, was not afraid. He was just touching them and making sounds that they make along with them. So today, Risa, Kwan, and the boys went out for ice cream date. So they saw a statue of a cow, and immediately Savi and Shine saw the statue. They started making the sound of a cow. Guys, Savi was so serious with it, and the sound he made was so funny that he made me laugh. Guys, I don't know what to say again about Savi. He's just a funny boy and I love his personality. Guys, do enjoy this video and give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to my channel to get more lovely videos. Thank you.
Say hi to the cow.
You want to sit on it, Savi? You want to sit?
Sit on the cow.
Oh, you say hi, cow. Hi, cow. Oh, no. Shine's up there. It's okay. All right, you guys got to tell me what sound a cow makes before you go on it.
You ready to sit on the cow?
You want to sit?
Yeah.
Whoa. Look at Shine. You like it? Savi, you want to go up?
Want to go up there too?
Sit.
Hug your brother.
Hold him.
Hold him by the waist.
Good job.
You scared? You don't want to sit on the cow?
Yeah.
Look, hold him by the waist. Wrap your arms around him.
There you go.
There you go. Good
Good
job.
job.
Whoa, Savi, move.
Shine talking about take Savi down.
Okay.
Okay.